It's a 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander. This Outlander is the family-friendly crossover utility vehicle waiting to hit the trail with the perfect balance of power, performance, and an unforgettable ride. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and V6 engine. Mitsubishi has a vehicle designed just for you, no matter what road you're inspired to travel down. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Volkswagen of Inver Grove, creating customers for life. We are conveniently located at 1325 50th Street East in Inver-Grove-Heights, Minnesota, near Highway 494 and Robert Street, across from Best Buy.